If you're interested in knowing how to make commercial bar soap and make more profit, this video is for you. Stay tuned to the end of this video. This video is not a sponsored video. I just tried some things out that worked for me. You can also try it out. I'm sure you would have been hearing of Anchor. Anchor is an online platform that allows people to earn daily in dollars and cash out every week. So if you're interested, click on the first link in the description box to get started. Let's establish the ingredients that we'll be using for this production. Oil 400 grams, caustic soda 71 grams, water 200 grams. Add the 200 grams of water into the 71 grams of caustic soda. Stir properly until the cloudy color becomes white. Then set aside for it to cool down. I'm Chibikem. If this is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for YouTube to recommend it to other viewers. Thank you. And if you're my returning subscriber, I appreciate. Thank you so much for your support. If you're registering on Anchor and you need any help, just WhatsApp me on the number in the description box and I will help you out. After allowing the caustic soda solution to cool down, add into the oil and stir properly. Stir till the oil and the caustic soda mixes together and form soap batter. If you're interested in editing, like you want to be editing like a pro, you want to master the tricks of editing, click the second link in the description box to get started. If you know you want to learn graphic designing, click on the third link in the description box to get started. Thank you. Stir properly until there is a trace on the soap batter. You can see the traces on this one to show that it is properly mixed. You can see the consistency of the soap batter. So if you are into commercial soap making or you are planning to start, these are the tricks and tips you need to know before starting up. Caustic soda is a cleaning agent and soda ash is also a cleaning agent. So soda ash does the same work with caustic soda. So you can do away with soda ash and use only caustic soda. Then you can choose to add your perfumes, any type of fragrance that you want to use. Add your hardener if you want to use hardener. Then add glycerin. Glycerin helps to protect hands when washing clothes from peeling. Then you can use only palm kernel oil for your soap making. That's if you want to make massive profit. The only thing is that your soap will finish quick. When you are using it, the soap will finish quick, but it will form very well and work perfectly. The only disadvantage here is that the soap will finish quick. Then if you still want your soap to last very well, you can add palm kernel oil. In that way, your soap will last very well. But if you want to make massive profit in soap making, you can use only palm kernel oil for your production. So after pouring the soap batter in the soap mold, I will allow it to form for 12 hours. So this after 12 hours, I'm about to mold the soap. You can see how smooth the soap is and solid it is. So I will leave it for 3 weeks before I'll start using it, or if I want to sell it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thanks. So let's check if the soap will form or not. So if you watched to this extent, congratulations. Because I just want to tell you that you can make commercial bar soap with just two ingredients, which is your caustic soda and your oil. Then you can choose to add additives like glycerin for protection, and your soap will work fine. You can see it. You can see how the thing is foaming without adding any foaming booster. You can see. Thanks for watching. Bye.